Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Duo Security MFA after switching to a new device step by step clearly. To begin restoring Duo Security MFA after switching to a new device, ensure you have access to your new device. Open the Duo mobile app on your new device. If you are setting up Duo Mobile for the first time, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it to start the setup process. On your old device, open the Duo mobile app. Locate the account you wish to transfer to your new device. Tap on the account to view its details. You will need to generate a QR code for your new device. To do this, either log into the application you use Duo with, or access your organization's Duo setup portal. Follow the prompts in the portal to generate a QR code for your existing Duo account. On your new device, tap the plus sign or the Add Account button within the Duo mobile app. This will activate the camera to scan for a QR code. Point your new device's camera at the QR code displayed on your old device or in the portal. Once scanned, your Duo account will be successfully added to the Duo mobile app on your new device. To verify that the restoration was successful, log into the application that uses Duo Security. You should receive a prompt to approve the login request on your new device. If you experience issues, ensure that both devices have internet access. This completes the restoration process of Duo Security MFA on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.